And it looks like our captain has it on the trailer. It's a really windy day down here at Boynton, so it's definitely going to be a difficult one for most of our captains trying to get this job done. And Cap looks like he's going to go try and winch the boat up. Oh my! Oh! No! Oh my gosh. He looks okay. That could have been bad. Oh man. Cap. He looks to be alright, man. Thank the Lord. That one, a lot of things could have went wrong there. I mean, he looks winded still, but I mean, he could have hit his head on the trailer, the dock, anything. It just was a little too far. He went for the leap, and unfortunately, man, he missed. I just hope Cap's okay. And here, Captain's trying to explain to his wife what happened, and she's showing serious concern and empathy, which is crazy. This makes me question my marriage, because my wife would have laughed at me. And Cap's kind of trying to sneak in here. So, our guy in the angler right here, closest to us, is kind of trying to go around this Baja and skip the line. It's a busy day down here. It's super windy, which means the captains are struggling to hold position. And he's going to skip right past him. He kind of looked at him and said, I'm going to go to that last dock down there, but there's somebody down there. So I'm not sure really where he's going to go. And you can hear the wind roaring, and you're probably going to see the camera shake on this one a little bit as well. And to give you an idea of how windy it is, our tripod and camera setup here is almost 75 pounds. And there's still some pretty good vibration today, and you're definitely going to hear the wind howling in the background. But this Baja's approaching the dock. Fortunate for them, though, the dock that's opened up is with the wind and current. So they basically just need to get beside it and let the wind and current do its job and push them in. But this still can be complicated because you've got to calculate that speed that you're going to be drifting toward the dock in. So he looks like he's got a pretty good line, and they will get this one put up. But where did our guy go that skipped the line? So our guy's trying to get this one on the trailer, and the wind's just fighting him. So he's trying to line it back up again. And I do see our guy who skipped the lines coming back, so it looks like he's going to head back over here and possibly take this dock where the guy's loading. And that stern's just got against the dock. He's really going to have to give it some power to get it off with this wind. And here we go. He's kind of got it lined up, but once again, the wind and currents just got him. It's making it really difficult to get anything set up today. So he's getting an assist from the dock, and that's going to help him get this thing up there. And likely he'll just give it a little power to try and get it fully set on the trailer. And here comes our guy from earlier who skipped the line. And he's coming back in, and he's going to try and set up on this dock. Now, I'm not quite sure why he didn't go to the other dock that's opening up. But our guy appears to have this boat on the trailer, and we're going to try and get this thing pulled out. And here comes our solo cap. He's going to get the light touch in on the dock and not have any issues there as well. So let's see if our guy in front of him can get his boat pulled out. This is one of the trickier ramps here at Boynton. This one and the one just to the left of it are extremely slick. We see people slide on these ramps all the time. So our guy's in the truck, and he's going to try pulling out. And here we go. And it looks like he's having some struggles on the ramp as well. Yep, we can see the tires smoking, exhaust smoking. We're spinning tires. So he's going to back down just a little bit, try and give himself a little bit of a running start. Let's see if this move gives him any success, or if we've got to get a little extra weight on that bumper. And he's kind of at a pinnacle again, like he's not really going any further than where he's at for some reason. So he may have to back down one more time. But it's just funny because the guy behind him was in such a rush, and now he's picked the ramp where he's going to get stuck for a few minutes. And there are 2 ramps beside him have both opened up. And the trucks were really struggling. I mean, he didn't get his rear tires or anything wet either, but he can't seem to figure it out. Something's off, and he knows that for sure. And so we're going to go ahead and lock the differential, and we're going to put this thing into 4-wheel drive. And in 4-wheel drive, he shouldn't have any issues. He should be able to pull this thing out now. And here we go. He's going forward, and it looks like he's got it. Oh, no. The engine's shaking. He's dragging the prop. That's why he couldn't get out. Oh, no. Oh, no. He drug the prop up. Oh. Basically, that outboard was stuck. The reason he was spinning tires, I was wondering because he really wasn't in a bad spot, is the engine was all the way down, and he literally just drug the prop the whole way up the ramp. Oh, man. That's a rough way to end a day on the water. And here comes one of our Boynton locals in to close the day out. We see these guys down here quite a bit. And the captain's actually going to go for it. So here, the easy move would be to land on this dock to the left and let the wind and current push you in. But he's going to make the more difficult approach and try and come to the dock on the right. Now, he's doing a good job. He's coming in bow heavy, and we've almost got a foot off on the dock. And it looks like, oh, nope, we're going to get ran off by the dogs, so we're going to back out. But now Cap's going to take the easy approach anyway. We're gonna let this just slide in. You got to be careful here. See how fast it's coming in now? The wind and current grabbed it. Fortunately, somebody got off and was able to stop the boat. But sometimes, even letting the wind and current do the work can bring you in a little hot. But these guys look okay, and they're going to get this thing set up, and they're going to be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode on Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.